Good morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is John Caldwell, and I'm the marketing coordinator for Argent Stratus. Today I'd like to talk about intellectual property, IP, and the people who have access to it. So what is IP? Intellectual property is really all the data and information your company or organization creates and utilizes to form tactics, operational plans, and strategy. And there are a lot of people in your organization, even if there's only 3 of you. Chances are 3 people have access to that data. And in almost every organization, that access is essentially unmonitored. Why is that important? Well, as IT professionals, we really look out for things like who has access to data and what can they do with it. For instance, last year we were talking to a client, one of our very first ones we were talking to about joining Argent Stratus, and we were called in because they had terminated a sales manager, and when they went to fill the position about 6 weeks later, they noticed that certain files were missing. Then they found out that the email, PST files, and all those other good things that are all part of the Outlook structure were missing. The sales manager had gone through, taken the quoting system, taken the list of the clients, and taken her email when she was terminated. The company didn't know to monitor for it. They didn't know how to block it, and it took them 6 weeks to discover it, and by then it's too late. That data, the email files, the client list, the bidding worksheets, are all intellectual property. You, as a business owner, paid to have those things created. Whose data is it? It's very important to understand in a world where we are driven by data and competition is really around who can utilize the expert system the best. Intellectual property is actually the new competitive battleground. And so we need to take those additional steps to make sure that what the business creates stays in the business. And so one of the things we need to really concentrate on as IT professionals is put a monitoring system into place. Make sure everyone logs in with their own unique ID and password. Check to see if you can maybe either get a report that will run to a SQL database or get a off-the-shelf product that will allow you to monitor for what's really happening inside that database. Another thing that's probably worthwhile, block the ability to copy things to a flash drive, except for very privileged users, like the business owner. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Look forward to talking to you soon.